Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Veick resistance bands set is probably one of the most versatile and effective pieces of home fitness equipment you can invest in, offering a full-body workout that can be tailored to any fitness level, from beginner to advanced athlete, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to build strength, improve flexibility, or enhance their overall physical conditioning without the need for bulky or expensive gym machinery, thereby providing a convenient and accessible way to achieve your fitness goals right from the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Renoj resistance bands for working out. Introducing the Renoj resistance bands, your ultimate partner for a comprehensive workout. Designed for effectiveness and durability, these bands are perfect for all your fitness needs. Experience a workout without interruptions. Our bands are engineered to stay in place and maintain their elasticity, even during the most intense sessions. They are built to last through countless exercises. From yoga and Pilates to home gym routines and outdoor activities, these bands adapt to your lifestyle. They are your go-to equipment for a full-body workout, anywhere, anytime. Crafted from high-quality fabric, these bands are designed to enhance your training. They provide the perfect resistance to help you achieve your fitness goals and sculpt your ideal figure. Take your fitness journey anywhere with our portable resistance bands. Included is a convenient carry bag, making it easy to exercise at home, in the gym, at the office, or while traveling. What we like. These bands are designed to stay put during your toughest workouts, ensuring no slipping or rolling. Their fabric construction means they maintain elasticity even with frequent use. If you're looking for reliable bands that won't budge and can handle consistent training, these are a great choice for home or travel. What people say. The fabric is thick and soft against the skin so they do not pinch or pull at your legs. They never roll up or slide around. They stay exactly where you put them even during a long workout. The set comes with 3 different levels of resistance, which is perfect for progress. They feel very durable and well made, so I think they will last a long time without stretching out. The quality of the bands themselves is excellent. They are made from durable latex and show no signs of snapping or wear despite daily use. The versatility is their greatest strength. The handles are comfortable to grip, and the door anchor is a fantastic addition for exercises like lat pull-downs, effectively turning a doorway into a makeshift gym machine. Number 4. Renoj resistance bands for working out. Elevate your fitness routine with our professional-grade resistance bands. They offer secure, non-slip resistance perfect for a wide range of exercises, from yoga to strength training. Achieve your fitness goals with 3 distinct resistance levels: light, medium, and heavy. These bands adapt to your strength, supporting everything from Pilates to intense squat training. Take your workouts anywhere with this all-in-one kit. The included carry bag makes it easy to train at home, the gym, or even outdoors. These versatile bands are perfect for targeting major muscle groups and aiding in recovery. Use them for glute activation, arm toning, or improving mobility in your knees, ankles, and shoulders. Surprise the fitness lover in your life with this complete set. It includes everything needed for effective workouts and makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. What we like. This set offers a great range of resistance levels, perfect for progressive training and targeting various muscle groups. The durable, non-slip fabric ensures a secure workout experience. If you need a versatile set for Pilates, yoga, or strength training that's easy to take anywhere, this is an excellent option. What people say. The fabric is thick and soft against the skin so they do not pinch or pull at your legs. They never roll up or slide around. They stay exactly where you put them even during a long workout. The set comes with 3 different levels of resistance, which is perfect for progress. They feel very durable and well made, so I think they will last a long time without stretching out. The quality of the bands themselves is excellent. They are made from durable latex and show no signs of snapping or wear despite daily use. The versatility is their greatest strength. Number 3. WHATAFIT resistance bands set. Elevate your workouts with our versatile resistance bands. They offer adjustable resistance levels from 10 to 50 pounds, perfect for any fitness level. Experience consistent elasticity and resilience with our bands made from high-density natural latex. They are built to last through countless workouts. Easily customize your training intensity by using single bands or combining them for up to 150 pounds of resistance. This allows for a progressive increase in your strength training. Our bands feature steel carabiner clips, reinforced stitching, and non-slip cushioned handles for a secure and comfortable grip during any exercise. Whether you're into strength training, yoga, or physical therapy, these bands adapt to your needs. They are suitable for various exercises and age groups. Take your workout anywhere with this portable set. The included carrying pouch and door anchor allow for effective training at home, in the office, or while traveling. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: resistance bands, handles, ankle straps, a door anchor, and a carrying pouch for a full body workout. What we like? With 5 distinct resistance levels and a comprehensive set of accessories including handles, ankle straps, and a door anchor, this kit offers incredible versatility. The natural latex construction ensures durability and consistent elasticity. If you want a complete home gym solution that can adapt to all your fitness goals, from stretching to heavy strength training, this is the set for you. What people say. The bands are labeled with how many pounds of resistance, and the Velcro is very secure to use on ankles. Clips are easy to use, handles are soft and comfortable to use. Made from high-quality natural latex, the bands feel elastic yet sturdy. After multiple intense sessions, they show no signs of wear, stretching, or cracking. The handles are comfortable and non-slip, and the metal clips feel solid and secure. The set includes bands from 10 to 50 pounds, and they can be stacked up to over 150 pounds for added resistance. This makes it easy to adjust the intensity and target all major muscle groups: arms, chest, legs, and back, without needing weights. Number 2. 5-pack resistance bands exercise kit. Introducing a complete 5-pack fitness kit designed for your versatile workout needs. These durable bands offer multiple resistance levels, perfect for strength training, stretching, and full-body exercises. Crafted from high-quality natural latex rubber, these elastic bands ensure lasting use and consistent tension. They are built to withstand your toughest workouts and daily exercises. Effectively engage all major muscle groups, from your glutes and legs to your arms and back. Use them for a variety of exercises to achieve your fitness goals, including muscle toning and flexibility improvement. This set is your perfect alternative to bulky weights, serving as essential equipment for both home and gym workouts. It's also a practical gift for any fitness enthusiast. Take your fitness on the go with this portable set, complete with a convenient carry bag. It includes both flat loop and non-slip mini loop bands for easy travel and storage. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, these bands adapt to your needs. They provide adjustable tension for custom workouts, rehabilitation, and muscle strengthening. What we like? This set provides 5 different resistance bands made from high-quality natural latex, allowing you to target virtually every muscle group effectively. They are perfect for a wide range of exercises, from strength building to physical therapy. If you need a comprehensive and portable set to work out at home or on the go, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The quality is solid, they feel durable, stretch smoothly, and don't have that cheap, thin feel some bands have. They're perfect for home workouts and offer a good range of resistance levels. The different resistance levels make it easy to progress or modify exercises. The bands feel durable and maintain good tension throughout movements. They're great for warm-ups, full workouts, or adding resistance to bodyweight exercises. Very versatile and a great addition to any home or gym routine. These bands are great quality and come with a nice range of resistance levels. I use them for leg workouts, glutes, and even stretching. They don't roll up or snap like some cheaper bands I've tried before. Super easy to use and perfect if you don't want bulky gym equipment at home. Number 1. Veick Resistance Band Set. Introducing the Veick Resistance Bands, your ultimate portable gym solution. Designed for both men and women, these bands offer a versatile workout experience. Achieve your fitness goals with adjustable resistance, reaching up to 150 pounds. The set includes 5 color-coded bands, each offering a different level of challenge. Whether you're into yoga, Pilates, or general fitness training, these bands are perfect for you. They enhance stretching, strength training, and weight programs. Use them at home or on the go to build muscle, burn fat, and improve your balance and mobility. They are designed for effective workouts wherever you are. Take your workout anywhere with this lightweight and portable set. It conveniently fits into the included cloth pouch for easy storage and transport. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: resistance bands, cushioned handles, ankle straps, a door anchor, and a carrying bag for your convenience. What we like? This set offers adjustable resistance up to 150 pounds, making it suitable for a wide array of exercises and fitness levels. The included handles, ankle straps, and door anchor transform it into a mobile gym. If you want the flexibility to perform diverse workouts anywhere, anytime, and build muscle effectively, this portable kit is a fantastic option. What people say. It comes with multiple bands, so you can adjust the resistance depending on your strength and the exercise you're doing. The bands feel durable and are easy to use for a variety of workouts like stretching, strength training, and even light rehab exercises. Compact size and included bag make them ideal for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.